flowering shrubs are a low-maintenance way to bring visual interest to your landscape. Here's how to pick the right ones and some tips for taking care of them. Start by choosing shrubs in your growing zone. Growing zones tell you which plants do best where you live. Fragrance, privacy, flower size, and height. These are some of the benefits to having shrubs in your yard. The ones you pick depend on what you're looking for. If scent is your main goal, perfume your yard with sweet-smelling blooms, like those that grow on bloomerang lilacs or Aphrodite sweet shrubs. Consider shrubs like the arborvitae if you'd like to add privacy to your yard. It grows fast and offers a beautiful screening. Taller, narrower shrubs are good for smaller yards and as a way to add vertical interest to your space. For height, consider shrubs like the rosebay rhododendron. It can grow between 15 and 30 feet high. To make a statement in your spring landscape, choose shrubs that feature big blooms, like those that grow on the mountain laurel. When you plant your shrub depends on what kind it is, but it'll likely be in the spring or fall. As with any plant, check the plant tag for specific care and planting instructions. But here's what you're likely to expect. Generally, flowering shrubs should be planted where they can get partial or full sun. Make sure to fertilize newly planted shrubs for the first 3 to 5 years, while their root systems are maturing. A fertilizer that's higher in phosphorus content is best. Pruning is also important, and when you prune, it depends on the shrub type. For flowering shrubs that bloom in spring, prune them at the end of their blooming period so you don't accidentally remove potential new buds and blooms. If your shrub isn't blooming like it should, revisit sunlight and fertilizer needs, and make changes where you can. No blooms could also mean the plant is too young to flower or the weather is unseasonably warm. Now comes the fun part, picking your shrubs. Choose shrubs that are compatible with where you live. Your local Lowe's Garden Center will have options suitable for your specific growing zone.